Create a 3-minute YouTube video about opening scene. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kashif. And today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you tackle your cleaning routine. We're talking about the best house cleaning dress for 2024. Whether you're a pro at keeping things spotless or just getting started, the right gear can make all the difference. Now I know what you're thinking. Does it really matter what I wear when I'm cleaning? Trust me, it does. The right outfit can make your cleaning session more comfortable, efficient, and even stylish. So let's break down what makes the perfect house cleaning dress for 2024. First up, let's talk comfort. You want something that lets you move freely. No more tugging at your shirt or adjusting your pants every 5 minutes. This year's trend is all about stretchy, breathable fabrics that move with you. Think yoga pants or high-quality leggings paired with a lightweight, moisture-wicking top. You stay cool, and your clothes stay in place. And then there's functionality. 2024 is the year of multifunctional cleaning wear. I'm talking aprons with extra pockets for your cleaning tools, tops with microfiber panels for quick wipes, and even pants with built-in knee pads for those hard-to-reach spots. It's all about making your life easier. Check this out, pockets are a game changer. No more running back and forth to grab your tools. Keep everything right where you need it. And these microfiber panels? Perfect for a quick wipe down of surfaces. Who knew your clothes could double as a cleaning tool? Now let's not forget safety. Non-slip shoes are a must. You never know when you'll encounter a wet spot or slippery surface. And for my long-haired friends, tying your hair back is key. Think headscarves, caps, or even a stylish bandana. It keeps your hair out of the way and adds a pop of style to your look. So there you have it, the best house cleaning dress for 2024. It's all about combining comfort, functionality, and style to make your cleaning routine not just a chore, but something you actually enjoy. Whether you're deep cleaning your entire home or just doing a quick tidy up, this outfit has got you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home looking its best. Drop a comment below and let me know what your go-to cleaning outfit is. Until next time, stay clean, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.